Alright guys, so I'm going to show you a quick way to take your lighting from this to this. What's up people, welcome back to the channel. So I want to show you guys a real easy, cost-effective way to upgrade your lighting in, say, your garage, shop, basement, or really anywhere that has one of these ceiling fixtures like you guys see right here that just takes your normal light bulb. I'm sure you guys seen similar products like this before. This is a 5-panel adjustable light. You guys can see it screws in your regular ceiling fixture there, just like a regular light bulb, but you're gonna get way more light out of this than you will out of your standard light bulb. Now there's a lot of different configurations of these types of lights. This one here has 5 panels that are adjustable, so you can push those and angle them any way you want. And then this one, there's one in the middle that just fires straight down. This one in the middle is not adjustable. Over the years, it seems like they keep upgrading these deformable LED lights. Here's one I had from a few years back. I'm replacing my old 3-panel light with this 6-panel light here. And I'll show you guys in a little bit the difference. So if you guys want to upgrade, if you guys currently already own one of these older models, I'll show you the difference between this light output and then something like this. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a 2-pack of lights here. It's 150 watts. They're 15,000 lumens. They got the 5 in 1 panel, so you got 5 adjustable panels. The one in the middle is not adjustable. This is going to be a 6500K daylight color. It's made out of a mixture of aluminum and then plastic. So these panels here are made out of aluminum, and it helps to dissipate the heat. And then this part right here is plastic. So the total amount of LEDs in each panel here, there's a total of 240 LEDs. There's 40 LEDs in each one of these panels. Alright guys, so this is what you're going to expect out of a 60-watt LED light bulb. You guys can see not a whole lot of light there. But we'll go ahead and compare that to the 3-panel, the older panel that I have. So there's the light output out of my older 3-panel LED deformable light. Now we'll go ahead and screw in the 6-panel upgraded version of this. Alright guys, so there is the 6-panel LED light. I'm sure you guys can see a difference. I definitely notice a huge difference here in the garage. A lot more light being thrown off from the 6-panel here. So definitely a big difference in light output. So you guys can see there, huge upgrade from your standard light bulb. Alright guys, so that's it. If you're looking to upgrade your standard light bulbs anywhere in your house, shop, or garage, I think this is a great option. Like I said earlier, I'll put a link in the description box. Click on that link if you guys want to purchase these or find out more information about these. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, go ahead, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure you share this video with anybody else that might be interested in a product like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I will talk to you later.